Launch your own eCom super funnels with winning products in 60 seconds without creating a single store or Shopify. Click play to discover why doing eCom the old way no longer works and how we use that fact to bank $100,000 plus per month. 100% brand new no store eCom technology. Enter a keyword and AI generates super eCom funnels that sell anything for you: physical, digital, affiliate offers, etc. Forget Shopify, Amazon, Alibaba, and eBay. We don't even worry about traffic. AI Stack sends us thousands of clicks for free. 99% success rate with all our beta testers. Everything is done for us on autopilot. We generates $100,000 plus monthly in net profit. No setup and no configuration, we just click a button and we are done. No other apps or services needed with AI Stack. Zero upfront cost. 30 days money back guarantee. First 1 to 8 action takers get instant access to AI Stack. 5 done for you. Super funnels and profit accelerator. Average user saw 185% increase in profit, worth $1,997. Did you know that Mr. Bezos will let you do all the hard work? And then will swoop in to steal all your hard work? No thank you. With AI Stack, you don't need to compete with greedy billionaires. Do you really want to run your business in 1999? You may still use eBay to buy a few items. But running a business there is a nightmare. No thank you. With AI Stack, you will use the latest AI model to build a robust business. Running ads is a rich man game. You need thousands of dollars just for testing. Can you really afford $5,000 in testing budget? No thank you. With AI Stack, we get thousands of buyers' clicks without paying a penny. You really want to wait 40 days just to get your products? Even if you are okay with it, I guarantee you that none of your customers will. No thank you. With AI Stack, none of that is required, and you don't need to keep any inventory. Running a traditional eCom is like a death sentence. It's saturated and very competitive. It's not easy for a guy like you or me. No thank you. With AI Stack, we get DFY eCom super funnel. That makes us hundreds of dollars daily. You will have to pay hundreds of dollars every month just to run your business. You will also need great technical experience to set up and configure your store. Then you will need to keep an inventory of your product, which will cost thousands of dollars. If that isn't enough, you will need to spend thousands of dollars on paid ads to test your products. Then, you will need to pray, my friend. Because the chances of you succeeding is next to none. You don't need to pay anything in monthly fees. You just pay a low one-time fee and it's yours forever. Zero technical experience is needed, AI will do all the work for you. No need to keep any inventory, AI Stack will help you sell any physical or digital product. No need to spend a dime on ads, because AI Stack will send you thousands of buyers' clicks for free. With AI Stack, there is no guesswork. We consistently make hundreds of dollars daily. Let AI build you eCom super funnel that will sell anything on your behalf: physical, digital or affiliate offers. An easy, faster, and more profitable way that converts 10x better than the normal way of running eCom. Best of all, it doesn't require any work or previous experience. I'm one of the few humble guys who truly makes 6 figures online every single month. I'm incredibly blessed to have such an amazing lifestyle. But let me tell you this. This didn't happen easily. I wasn't born with a golden spoon. I had to struggle most of my life to get where I am now, and because I know how it feels to struggle, I made it my life purpose to try and change as many lives as I can. So, over the past years, I did exactly that. Shopify isn't free. Although they make it seem like it's super affordable. It's actually not at all. For starters, you need a good theme if you want your store to look even remotely professional. That alone can cost you about $300. After that, you will realize that you need tons of plugins to make your store work, from adding reviews, upsells, fulfillment, pop-ups, and many more. You will end up paying hundreds of dollars every single month just to keep your store running. And that doesn't include the cost of promoting the store. Get ready to drop thousands of dollars on ads to test your products and optimize the store. And if you're lucky enough You will find your winner after only spending maybe $2,000 to $5,000. It's almost like this system was designed for the rich only who can afford to invest tens of thousands into it. Shopify's monthly bill will quickly add up. On average, to run a moderate store with limited success you will have to pay on average $1,200 every month. Regardless if you make money or not. And on top of that, Shopify will charge you a fee on every sale. It's absurd. I almost get PTSD just remembering Amazon. This platform is a joke. Even after going through all the hoops. You need to order bulk products and send them to their warehouse, which you guessed it costs a small fortune. Worst of all, you will have to do it blindly, and if you manage to get a winner. Get ready for Mr. Bezos to get the same exact product to outcompete you. And knock you out of the search results. Yup, a full year. 11 months, and a million cups of coffee. But you know what? It was 100% worth it. Because in the end, we got something that is out of this world, something that set me free from the rat race forever. I finally cracked the code, and over the next few months, I went on to make over $42,110.97 in pure profits. Every single step. Yes. Now, I don't even have to research any products, source for suppliers, or deliver any product manually. I have an AI system that does everything for me. They lure newbies in with cheap monthly subscriptions. But then you find out that almost any feature you want requires a new plugin which costs a monthly subscription. Your monthly bill will quickly add up to hundreds if not thousands of dollars a month. And that's exactly what they want. For you to pay monthly. Doesn't matter if you make money or not. You can see it with your own eyes in their own forum. Hundreds if not thousands of paid members. Screaming and crying blood about not getting any sales. I'm a college student, and don't have a lot of time to run a business or have the money to pay for ads or whatever. Fortunately, AI Stack solved both for me. I spend 5 to 10 minutes per day before classes and I publish one of those super funnels. And I'm done. I make $649.34 on average per day. Which is huge for me. AI Super Funnels. Simply enter a keyword and let AI automatically create stunning 3-in-1 super funnels, complete with preloaded assets, hot product, description, image, video, and more. Let AI build you eCom super funnel that will sell anything on your behalf, physical, digital or affiliate offers. Instantly turn your super eCom funnel into other languages and tap into non-English market with a click of a button. And 3x your revenue. Worth $997. Instantly connect to 400M and hot buyers traffic in different niches. Imagine how much money could be made selling products to this traffic, zero cost. Worth $1,997. Connect your super eCom funnel with your favorite autoresponder with a click of a button and start building your list. Worth $297. Have a question? Just reach out to us and our team will do their best to fix your problem in no time. Worth a lot. After you get access to AI Stack, you will get instant access to a bundle of bonuses that is designed to 10x your results in half the time. This is not just random bonuses. Every part of this took us months to develop and perfect. And today, all of it will be yours for free. Get VIP access to our live mastermind event and copy and paste our AI Stack underground system we use to make six-figure in 60 days. This alone is worth 5x what you will pay today, and it's yours for free. Value $1,997. Discover how to build a Facebook Messenger chatbot to generate leads and automate your business without learning how to code. Facebook Messenger is growing bigger than Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter combined, every day, so there's a lot of opportunity for your business. Combine this with AI Stack and increase conversion. Value, $997. This is an artificial intelligence, AI, interactive messaging system that engages with your customers on behalf of your company, and answers questions 24/7 all within Facebook's popular Messenger. Use this with AI to automate Facebook marketing to boost sales and expand your business. Value, $497. Discover how to create an automated digital sales funnel that makes sales 24 hours a day on autopilot. This is a complete ready-to-go sales funnel in a hot in-demand niche. You can easily use AI Stack chatbot to promote your funnels and get sales round the clock. Value, $697. Discover the easiest way to create a profitable online business that makes you money while you sleep and how to scale up your results to from 3-4-5-6 figures/month. Value, $997. Unlike anything else on the market right now, we've put out 110% in creating AI Stack. And we have been successfully using it for the past 22 months with no fail. Not only that, you will be joining hundreds of profitable members who use AI Stack on a daily basis to generate results like this. Look, AI Stack is not one of those trash or untested app. We know what it's capable of. However, in the unlikely event that you fail to use AI Stack for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. We make more than enough with AI Stack. And no need to keep your money if you are not gonna use it. Not just that. We will send you a bunch of bonuses as a gift for wasting your time. Worst case scenario, you get AI Stack and doesn't make any money, you will still get access to our exclusive bonuses for trying it out. P.S. If you act now, you will instantly receive bonuses worth over $11,212.44. This bonuses is designed specifically to help you get 10x the results, in half the time required. PPS, there is nothing else required for you to start earning with AI Stack. No hidden fees, no monthly costs, nothing. PPS, remember, you're protected by our money-back guarantee. If you fail, not only will we refund your money, we will send you a bunch of our bonuses as a gift just for wasting your time. PPS, if you put off the decision till later, you will end up paying $297/mo. Instead of just a one-time flat fee. And why pay more, when you can pay less? While that is unlikely, we removed all the risk for you. If you tried AI Stack and failed, we will refund you every cent you paid. And give you access to our exclusive bonuses on top of that just to apologize for wasting your time. Awesome, I like your excitement. All what you have to do is click any of the buy button on the page, and secure your copy of AI Stack at a one-time fee. First 18 only, unlock $1,000 per day super eCom funnels and 3x revenue and upgrade to a faster server and VIP support. 97% of customers select this add-on and earn extra $1,000 per day. Just $9.95 one time, normally $297. You will have to pay hundreds of dollars every month just to run your business. You will also need great technical experience to set up and configure your store. Then you will need to keep an inventory of your product, which will cost thousands of dollars. If that isn't enough, you will need to spend thousands of dollars on paid ads to test your products. Then, you will need to pray, my friend. 'Cause the chances of you succeeding is next to none. You don't need to pay anything in monthly fees. You just pay a low one-time fee and it's yours forever. Zero technical experience is needed, AI will do all the work for you. No need to keep any inventory, AI Stack will help you sell any physical or digital product. No need to spend a dime on ads, because AI Stack will send you thousands of buyers' clicks for free. With AI Stack, there is no guesswork. We consistently make hundreds of dollars daily.